This is the turntable mechanism I've got there, the motor, and I've got a reduction gearing in front of it there. That's the black tube part. I've got the output on that, and then up to the gearing, so I've got reduction gearing there that I've all put together. The two wipers there, they're going onto a piece of printed circuit board, so on the other side you can't see. I've just cut rings so that each of those are supplying power up to the turntable. So there's the turntable moving. That's at a pretty good speed. That's what I've made so far of the Ouray turntable. And now we've added the LK100, which is the auto reversing unit. It's a German one from Lens, and they're very good and reliable. So we're still going down there, we're still turning. I'll just let this run in. I'll just oil it all. I'll just give it half an hour of running time. With the gearing, I can get very fine adjustments so I can align the tracks up for turning the locomotive.